Pick it up, bend over, pick it up, bend over, pick it up, bend over, pick it up.
That's a hot fire.
What's up, bully babies? You already know what's going on. It's the one and only Thaaarebelchild, aka Big Rebel, and I'm back again with another unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unboxing Tote&Carry. Tote&Carry is coming up, and they want me to be. So, I was just gifted 3 bags. We're gonna be unboxing all 3 bags. You feel me? I already have a name for like each of the girls or whatever. So let's hurry up. Let's get into this video and let's see what's going on. So for the first bag, it is a mini tote. It says self-made, self-paid. And on my mama, I'm self-made and I'm self-paid. This is cute. Open it up. What's that? If you don't be quiet. This is so cute, y'all. Look at her. This is a mini bag. This is a mini tote. And I believe, let me see. Oh, no. It doesn't come with a strap. I thought it came with a strap because it doesn't. But this don't go on your arm like this. It go like this. So, you know, for all my girlies that like little bags. I don't like little bags. This is like for your makeup. Not even for your makeup. Just to show front and show flaws. Or, like, this is easy accessible to hit a nigga, so. What the fuck you say to me? You gonna cheat on me again? Yes. You know? Be quiet. But this is so cute, guys. Just leave me alone. This is so cute, y'all. Self-made, You said, well, you don't like me? Boy, I can't wait to beat somebody up with my purse. What's the name of that bag? Self-made, self-paid. By who? Tote&Carry. That's cute. Why do you keep talking? Anyways, Tote&Carry, this is my beat a nigga bag because it says self-made, self-paid, and you already know a lot of niggas ain't got no money and they ain't doing nothing. So when a nigga think he can just come up to me and say what he want to, I'ma just. You ain't got nothing on me. You ain't got no money. I'm about to hit my mama with this purse. Just shut up. Anyways, let's go to the next bag. Next up, this is the next bag. This is my whole bag. So, yes, my whole bag. So, I'm going to be putting condoms in here, tampons, Plan Bs, you know, everything. This is how big the bag is. The bag is good. So just in case if y'all with me and y'all like, I could just be like, or you can be like, go in the truck and go get my whole bag. It's in my whole bag. So we can go ahead and actually let's do that right now. Hold on, y'all. This is my whole bag, like I was saying. So we can put tampons and a lot of stuff in there. We go ahead and start entering the tampons right now if we want to. Tampons that I have to go inside the bag, so let's go ahead. We just put this is like 6 tampons. We can go ahead set them in there. And then, like I mentioned earlier, condoms. So if you guys need condoms, these are all the condoms that I have. Just gonna go ahead and enter them in the bag. So more condoms. So whenever you need something, you could be like, Rebel, this is emergency, I need a condom. I'm going to just pull out the condom myself and I'm going to say, here's the condom for you. You feel me? You don't like that one? Okay. You know, it's a lot of stuff in there. So that's the whole bag already made. Let's just go ahead and take off this plastic on there. So the whole bag is practically made. I just gotta go get some smell good. After I go get some smell good and I just add a little more, some wipes, some mini wipes will be good. So that's the whole bag right there for you, okay? Now let's get into the last of the last, which is the biggest top bag, okay? This right here, this is Pinkie Pie. She's the baddest bitch. She's the baddest. She's big. Pinkie Pie is one of the biggest totes. They come in multiple colors. So I got the hot pink one. It does come with a strap. I'm probably not going to use the strap. I'm probably just going to use it like this. Let's get a 360. This is cute, y'all. So I'm gonna be streaming with Blueface, A, B, and Dean and all of them. I really don't even know what bag that I'm gonna wear. It all depends on which, like my clothes and stuff. But the whole bag, she's going with me. She has no choice. She stays in the trunk. So the whole bag stays in the trunk. This baby. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl, I can't. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. What? I can see me walking down the streets of LA and people stalking me. They're like, what you got, Tote&Carry? You could beat a nigga up, but this ain't it. This is like more like, you know, like.
Pick it up, bend over. Pick it up, bend over. Pick it up, bend over.
This is more like fancy dancing. I won't nobody touching her. She's awful anyway. Anyways, that's really it for the unboxing, y'all. Let me know which bag you guys like. Make sure y'all go ahead and purchase some stuff from Tote&Carry. Their stuff is literally reasonable. Bags are $60, $65. Everything is a reasonable price. Make sure y'all go ahead and just get you a bag. I got a bag. You should get you some bags. Hurry up and go get you a bag right now. Click the link that's in the description. Go get your bag. Anyways, love you guys. Enjoy. Bye.